Hello all, I am come back from the discussion of the dynamic programming question. Okay, now come back and I am discuss about the dynamic programming question. So I have discussed about the some varieties of question and they have all the important and I am also provided all the question from the FANG company and MNC company and interview placement. All type of question I am collect and share with you after the session. But firstly, I am discuss about the one by one question we have open in another tab. So firstly, discuss about this question. Okay. So question number is 1155 from the lead code. Number of a dice rolls with target sum. Number of a dice rolls with target sum. So firstly, I am understanding what is the question and how to analyze it step by step. You have d dices. You have number of a dices, let's suppose d, and each dice have a f faces and number from 1 to f. Generally in dice they have a 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but in this question f faces is. So maybe if f is 8 to 1 to 8, if f is 10 1 to 10, so they have many faces. Now you have to return the possible ways to roll the dice. The sum of faces up number equal to target. So you have also given a one value that is a target and the sum of faces is equal to the target, and what is you have to use all the dices and the sum of faces up number equal to target. If they have very large, think about because number of faces is more, number of dice is more, and you have to sum and they equal to target. So now they cross the integer value, so they have modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So understanding some example and cases. If dice 1 and faces 6 and target 3, to if dice 1 to directly I have throw a 3 in one chance, they have only a one way. In second, two dice faces 6 and 7 target. So in this question two dice, so I have make a 7. I have in dice 1 to I need to be a 6 in next dice to come up with 7 within a two dice. Okay, now 2 5 second way, 3 4 that is sum with 7 and I'm only 1 to 6. Okay, 4 or 3, 5 or 2, 6 or 1. That is the number of a ways I have used. Okay, so this is the total number of a way is 6. Total number of a ways is 6 from this example. If dice is 2, number of a face 5 and that is 10. So I have directly throw up 5 and 5 in 2 dices. So we have got 10, that is a one way. Just discuss about the result. Dice 1 faces 2 and target 3. You have to make target 3 from the faces 2 and dice 1. It is not possible. So I have written the 0 here. If I am throw out 2 in one dice, so no possible to make a 3 because maximum faces 1 to. So there is a no way to directly return 0. And this is another, there's a lot, no discuss about. And this answer is very large, so they have modulo by 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay. So now number of faces is same, maybe a 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a faces, but we have to complete it a dice. If I make a 2 dice, so we have a 1 6. I am not ki directly go and a 3 dice, use a 3 dice, not use a 1 dice, complete 2 dice to make a 2 and number of a faces 6 and target sum. To understanding this example properly, and after that I am writing code. Now 2 dice face 6 and 7. तो देखो, according to firstly analyzes the where the dependency. So now number of a dice. यानी if I am write the number of cases, so what is the 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, ठीक है, 5 comma 2 and 6 comma 1, that is a 6 cases. Now in this 6 cases you have to complete it a number of it as common property. So a common which is dependency, so in each way you have to complete the number of a die. Each way they have two dice, two dice, two dice, two dice, two dice. So dependency is dice. And in each way the sum equal to a 7. Sum equal to a 7. 7. Not less than, not greater than. So dependency is target. But not depend to face, because faces is just like a number. Which number 1 6. I have choose only 1 6 2 5. So this is not perfectly depend. But number of it doesn't are perfectly depend. So make a tree. So I have make a dependency. What is dependency? Number of it dices yani 2. Number of a target sum, that is a 7. Okay. Now comes with the what number of a faces is 6. So in number of a 6, so they have a 6 try. They have a 6 try. They have a 6 try. Yes or no? If I am in first trial, they have only a go of 1, then third, then fourth, then fifth, and then sixth. Okay. Now if I am throw a 1, so number of a dice is remaining is 1, because it's thrown one time. Number of a dice is always remaining a 1, because I have already throw a one time. Yes or no? Okay. And if throw a 1, what is the need of a target? What is need of target? Only a 6, because 1 from the die. If thrown 2 to need a 5, need 4, need 3, need 2, need. Okay. Now explore this. Again we have explore 1 to 6, any number we have don't know. Okay. Okay. If throw the number of a dice is 0, but now if thrown 1, so I have remaining of 5 element. Target is 5 is changes. If thrown 0, target 2 that is remaining is 4. 0, target 3, because throw a 3, throw a 4, throw a 5 and throw a 6. In 0 remaining is 2. 0 remaining is a 1 and 0 remaining is a 0. Completed. ठीक है. And also make a from this, I make a from this, throw a 0 comma 1 time, so remaining a 2, throw a 2 0 comma 2, 2 yani 1, remaining 1. If throw a 3, so 0 comma 0. Okay. Now make a throw a 1, so 0 comma 0, throw a 2, 0 comma minus 1. Okay. Throw a 3, so 0 comma minus 2. So after they make a tree like that, now I have to write code for this approach. Okay, to find the termination condition. After from the 0 dice, so you have to need a throw. If target is uh, not a 0, but you need to be throw a dice, no. So terminal condition when dice is 0. Second, again second termination condition, they have no other. If target is less than and dice is this, let's suppose 1 comma minus 1, like this condition. If dice is remaining but target is already negative, so this is possible to again throw a dice, because this is not possible way. So also when target less than equal to a 0, this is not possible. Not possible, so I have no return मतलब not possible, so they have no possible way. If no possible way, I have written the 0. Why? Because they no possible. And what is the possible condition? When target is 0 and die 0, like this condition, like this condition, like this condition. This is a positive way and this is a perfect. So they return the one way, because one way. They return the one way. They return the one way. After they return one, they return one. From they return one. From they return also return from 1 1 1. Summation of this 6. Summation of they return 1, they 0 0 0 0 0. So summation of this 6, 0 0 plus 1 1. So summation, like right from this code. Okay, so we need to helper function. This helper function d, f and target, and this helper function return, so return. Okay, now private. Okay, return int helper. We need to a number of dices कितने हैं, ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ फेसेस कितने हैं, और टारगेट वैल्यू क्या है. वी नीड what is the base condition. Base condition, if dice equal to 0 or maybe target less than equal to 0. Before positive condition, when dice equal to 0 and target is also equal to 0, that is possible condition, return 1. That is impossible condition, not a possible way, so return 0. If condition is not like this base condition, so I have to call recursion. What is the recursion? 2 comma 7. So I have number of faces 6. They may be a 8. So we don't know. Int answer right now 0. Yeah, not answer base in base. Okay, so for faces, 1 by 1 faces equal to 1 face less than equal to faces and face plus plus. So I have called. Why? If I have thrown the one dash, so I am thrown the again one dash, I am thrown the one. They call the recursion. After this complete recursion, they go into this one, this two, this one, this three. We know. So call helper function with number of dices less minus one. In each thrown time, we have reduced the number of dices one time, and number of faces not changes, but target also changes. With if I am 7 target, then I have face value 1, then return 6. So target minus face, this is, and the return value always add in the number of his ways. So number of his ways. Okay, or ways modulo equal to 10 to the power 9. Why 10 to the power 9? Because it's cross the integer value. So number 100 10 to the power 9 plus 7. After that, return the final answer, that is stored in the loop. Okay, not a T. This is dices. This is dices. Again, this is a termination condition for unpossible way, or this is a termination for possible way. So I have written one and then this is written. And how to make it? If 2 comma, each time they reduce one time, and each time I am reducing number of faces 7 minus 6, and they make a tree, or each time number of faces as a loop. Okay, now what is the problem in this question? Time limit exit only for 30 30 500, that is given a this condition. Now move to the analysis the DP. Where is the DP? Okay, it is the same function make or not. Like see this 0 comma 2 and 0 comma 2 both value are same. 0 comma 1 0 comma 1 are same. Okay, so this behavior show the value for 0 comma 2 are stored in DP. They directly no need to be again computational for this again tree. They directly return this value if for a larger tree, for larger tree and larger problem. So I have divided this problem in sub problems. Okay, so this make a D and DP and DP which terminology depend only at dices and target because they are same. So they value already stored in the data structure and directly I am fetch this data from data structure and no again computational. So this behavior so DP because they have same value data. So DPs depend on both dices and target. I have make a DP of 2 because they have both dependency. So int DP. Okay, DP for new int dependency where number of dices plus 1. I take one extra for safety and target plus 1. Okay, now how to analyze this DP or not, that suppose analysis. Now I have written the 0 and 1. Okay, by default DP 0, so they return 0, not surety, not sure, and so I all fully all DP with minus 1, fully all DP with minus 1. Okay, directly I less than equal to D and I plus plus arrays dot fill DP of I with minus 1 as a DP and pass this DP. Okay, make a global or also pass them DP. ठीक है. If not computation, I have find the computational and store in a DP. Store in a DP. So with dices and target, I am stored in a DP. With dices and target, I am stored in DP. If I am stored in a DP, so the value of a minus 1 is override. Override, so the value is minus 1 is not exit. So I am DP of dices and target is not equal to minus 1. That is mean the this part is already computation. No need to be finding again computational. So directly I am written this value DP dices and from target. Maybe some problem. Yes, fine. Uh, call the DP. Now check. Yes, proper. This is a proper implementation for code. Okay, this is a very good. So this is the approach. You have also write this a bottom up. This I'm take only start practice on top down. After that you have comfortable with you move to a bottom up because there. I'm also discuss bottom in other question. Try all question top down bottom up. Discuss all the thing in that part. But now I am discuss for this question is a top down and make a tree and this analysis tree this. Now time complexity and space complexity. Okay, by default if I am not using a DP the number of faces is 6 and what is the maximum height number of dices yani 6 की power d number of dice yani 2 but Now number of this is so a phase. So what is the time complexity without dp f की power d? Number of a phases, that is a children, and number of a height, maximum height goes to a number of a dice जितने. Okay, f की power d. Now this is not for dp. Now what is the dp? Let's suppose I have computational of already a 1 comma 6. So not computation 1 comma 6, only computation only a one time. 2 comma 7 one time, 5 comma 7 one time, 1 comma 7 one time. So how many computational doing? Dice and into target. So how many computational you doing? Dice into target. So what is the complexity? D into T. Maximum computational you have to doing D into T. And this is a space complexity D into T. And maximum this is a space complexity क्योंकि we have used dice into T. And what is the maximum computation? F into D. Because I am only take a one by one faces and D. Yeah, D into T. Both yani let's suppose a n square complexity for this code. Okay, got it. Now move to the second question. That is also interesting. We have move to the second question. Longest common subsequence. Given two string text 1 and text 2 name. Return the length of their longest common subsequence. If there is a no common subsequence, return 0. What is the subsequence and subarray? We know subsequence. Know about the subsequence. A subsequence of a string is a new string. You have to given a two string and you have to return the longest common signal. What is the subsequence? Subsequence as a string and new string generated from a original string. You have to find the new string from the original string with some character, or can be none, deleted without changing the relative order of remaining character. This line means, like suppose you have to a b c d, so you have to take a c e as a subsequence because the order of a c e as a fix, because a comes before from the C. C comes before from the E. So the relative order of the relative order is same, not be different. And common subsequence of two string is common to both line. Or common subsequence means that is common for both the string. Find the longest. Like in this suppose A C E. Find to length 3. In this question ABC both find 3. In this question, no common character and no subsequent, they make a 0. This is a apple. Now, how to do and how to do this question. Okay, so you analyze the question now. We have text A, B, C, D and AC. Okay, to use this concept, A, B, C, D is 3 by uh, 5 and 3. 5 by 3. So make a 5 by 3 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I make a one extra row and one extra column always. So one extra column, one extra row. ठीक है. Okay, now A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C. index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index number 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, firstly, the string is empty. 0 means the string is empty. So all character are 0. Okay, by default string is 0. Now, how to? Firstly fill this character. Now you have to not cd row before row like bcd. You have to only see a. You have to only have one character a, and you have only character of a, only a one column. Select. So both string is matched, so you have to take a one length. Okay, if you have to take ab as a next column, so string is not match a and b, so you have not take, but before one length, so one length comes from the this side. Okay, again you have to take c character and only a character, that is not match, so I am only directly take from the left. Why from the left? Because minimum length is maximum length is 1 if this type of string a b c and a. Okay, now this b match from the a. Change the question. Change the question. This b, let's suppose a and b. Okay, now this b or not c. How to this make a tree? This show only this part, yes or no? For a b and b to fill up this part. So now string is AB and A. AA match, so I fill the A1. But B comma A is match? Never. If not match, so this value is come from the 1. Why? Because already one length. And this is a one length, so I come from the this side. Okay. After that, I make a AB and AB. AB and AB. So this B match from this mean. So what is the value is 2. What is the value of 2? So come from the which side? I am not disclose. I am after the disclose. After make a proper. Okay, length 2. This B AB and after that C. What is the length? 2 and 2. This come from the this. Directly see about it. This come from this side. Okay. About DC. So about DC, ABC only A. ABC or A only match in 1 from the 1. C match with B not. If not matching, so they come from the what is the string ABC and what is the string AB. Not comes and what is the maximum and 2. So they come from the topmost. ABC and again ABC, that is matches. That is C matches. They come from the which side? I don't know. Directly a 3. Okay, because the 3 length. Okay. Now D. Come from A, B, C, D or not A. Only a A. So they have only a length 1 and this comes from the one side UFC. Now including a B. A B. Matches only a 2 length or the 2 length come from the this side. Now C. Match from not match from D, but they come from the D only 3 length. Okay. Now E. E not matches 1 E. Okay. Including a B. Not matches copy. Not matches copy 3. After that you make a tree. Final answer store in this part and they have to return. Okay. Now I have not disclosed when they. So I have discussed about the this is a filling and discuss about it now. When character is matches and when character is not matched, they have two conditions. When character is match or one when character is not matched. They have two way. If not match, so you have to see. Like suppose they have no match, so they come from the two. Okay. If they have match, तो they come from, if they not match, they come from the left, top, left. They are not fixed, they come from the left, and they also come from the left or top. Okay, let's suppose they have not met, so they come from the left, and they have not met, so they come from the top. So they have two way. Any other way they not met, come from the top, top, top. ये भी सारे top, ये सारे top, but they come from the left, left. So what is the way? And I have to find the only a maximum. So now, let's suppose we have take another example. Now, this is a one, and this is a two. They have two things not match. They also come from the left and they come from the top, but I am only to the top. Why? Because maximum of this is a maximum, because I am, my final goal is common subsequent with the longest. So longest is a maximum, so which is a maximum. So if not match, so I have from the left and top, which is maximum, I have to store. Okay, but if match, so if match, they not come from the this side, not come from the this side, not from the this is the 3, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, let's suppose कह सकते 1 plus 2, but 2 or 2 4 not possible. So they come from the diagonal, 1 plus diagonal plus 1. If they match, so diagonal plus 1, previous diagonal plus 1. That is the logic. Okay, now I have write the code in proper way. Integer dp new integer text1 dot length plus 1, text2 dot length plus 1. Okay, this is the first part. Now move to the travel. So now how to start? I am always start from 1 to 1, 1 to n, or this column 1 to n. Okay, to start from the 1. Int I equal to 1, I less than dp dot length. Okay, I plus plus, and for column int j equal to 1, j less than dp of 0 length. Okay, j plus plus. Okay, okay, if character is same, text 1 dot char add. What is the value of? We know this is the index number 1 2, but in a string the index number 0 1 2, 0 1 2 यानी -1. तो text 1 में I -1 इक्वल टू text2 dot char add j -1. If equal or not equal, only a two condition. If equal, diagonal plus 1. What is the diagonal value? If I am inside 1 comma 1, so diagonal is 0 comma 0. If 2 comma 2, diagonal is 1 comma 1. That is both dp of I or j equal to dp of I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1. And for this question, from the left and from the top of maximum. So left, if I am 3 comma 2, so from the left 3 comma 1, and top 3 comma 2. Okay, 3 comma, from the top 2 comma 2. Okay, so 1 minus 1 dp of I और j इक्वल टू मैथ डॉट मैक्सिमम में क्या पड़ा है, dp of I -1 to j fix कॉमा dp of I to j -1, that is a top. ठीक है, and final answer is dp of last length. Okay, dp of like tax1 dot length and tax2 dot length. Why? Because the tax, this is what is the value 5 comma 3, yes or no? And what is the value of tax1? That is 5. What is the value of 3? Length 3. So I'm directly written from the length. Okay. Now this is a approach. Okay. Now move to the another question, that is a coin change problem. What is the coin change problem? Okay. Now we have remove first one. Okay. Now discuss. You have given a coin of different denomination and a total amount money amount. Okay. You have given total amount of money amount. Okay. Write a function to compute the fewest number of a coin. Fewest माने lower number of a coin. Minimum number of a coin you need to make up that amount. Okay. If the amount of money cannot be made up any combination of the coin, return -1. You may assume that you have infinite number of it for each kind of coin. Okay. May analyze it. You have to give in a coins array. Coins array like you have to coin 1, 2 and 5. Three types of coin. And you have to use infinite number of it times each coin and any kind of coin. And you have to make a 11 sub. So how to make 11 sub from this coin? Like 1 1 1 1 1 to 11, so minimum need 11 coin. Okay. Okay. Also 2 2 2 2 4 and 5 take a 5. Okay. Also one pair is I take a 5 coin 2 7 to 9 to 11. Other one 5 coin again, make a infinite time only again 5 coin and 1 coin. So what is the minimum number of coin required to make this sum? 11. So we need only a 3 coin. 5 5 1. This is the minimum number of a coin. Make a 2 from the amount 3. That is possible? No, because coins is less from the amount. So that is written -1. Coin 1 amount 0 to directly return 0 because amount to 0. No way. Coin 1 amount 1 1. Coin 1 amount 2. So 1 1 करके 2 coin. Minimum 2 coin. Okay. So we take this example proper and discuss about this. Okay. Hmm. 1, 2 or 5. Only a 3 column. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. तो make a 11 sub. तो I take a make a 11 sub 0 1 2 3 4. Make a 11 sub. Make a proper amount plus 1. 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and 11. Make a 11 sub. So I declare a dp with like that. Okay. Now you have to make a amount of 0 with coin 1. How many minimum number of coins? 0. With 1 or 2, 0. With a minimum 1 to 5, 0. So the default by value is 0. Now coin. Not see the lower row, only see 1. You have to only have 1 coin. and you have to make a 1 rupee. So how many minimum number of a coin required? 1. How many number of required if one coin make a rupees of 2? 3, 4, 5. How many number are minimum number of coin required to make a 6 from the one coin? Only a one coin, that is a 6, 7. So this is the same copy. Okay, but not copy. I am discuss about the what is the logic. What is the now you have two coin 1 and 2. They have two coin 1 and 2, 2 coin. So you have to make let's suppose you have to use 2 coin, second coin. So you have to make a 2 rupees coin with the sum of 1. It is possible? Not. So but it is possible for 1. So you directly copy from the top value. Why? Because this not used 2 but this used from the 1 upper part. What is the value? Okay, they always start from the you have to make a 2 rupees use a 2 rupees. So you have already amount is greater than equal to a 2. So I am directly start from 2, otherwise I am directly copy from the top. Okay, 2. It is possible. So it is possible. Okay, now this is a possible condition. If I am use this coin to number of I am use this coin to make up amount of this. The minimum number of a coin is 1. I already know, but I am discussing about in logic part. Think about it sincerely. This coin is required. Minimum one coin is required because one is take. This coin is required make amount of 2. So if I am this take a coin, so amount minus this, what is the value? 0. So I am need 0 amount before take a this coin. Need a 0 amount. And what is the 0 amount? If I am take a this make a this amount from 3 using a 1 and 2 coin, but I am take only a 2. So I am take only a 2, so that is a 1 coin. Make a 2 coin. They have already need what is the difference? Make a 3 amount from the coin of 2. So what is the remaining amount? 1. So I am need 1 rupees coin again. Okay, if my make up 4 rupees with a coin of 2. So minimum number is 1. Minimum number is always 1 plus. Okay, so you have to need required 2 rupees more coin. 2 rupees more coin because you have to use 2 rupees this coin again require 2 rupees more coin. If required a 5 minus 2, you have to require 3 rupees more coin. 3 rupees. How to make 3? Not analyze it. This is a approach. Now this is a 2 minus 2 0. So I go to a 0 column and same row. What is the value? 0. So 1 plus 0 1. I go to 3. 3 minus 2, that is a 1. Goes to a 1 column and same row, that is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay, I go to a 4 column and 2. Minimum what is the value? 4 comma 2 yani 2. 2 comma 1. And required 2 coin. Okay, 5 minus 2 3. What is the value of 3? 2. That is minimum number of 3 because 1 coin this and 3 coin. How to make 3 sum from the 1 or 2? Need 1 or 2 only need a 1 coin. Only need a 1 coin. To make a 3 on make a 3 sum need a 2 coin. Okay, make a 6 sum from the 2 and 1 or 2 coin. Already know 3. How to know? 6 minus 2 2. Yani you have to use a 1 coin and 4 coin. How to make 4 coin? Minimum of 2 coin. 2 or 2, that is a 3. After 7 minus 2 5 4. 8 minus 2 4. 6 yani 6. 9 minus 2 7. 7 from 4 plus 5. 10 minus 2 8. From the 8 5. And make a 11 coin from the 2. So 9 9 row, that is a 6. Okay, also now need a minimum number of a I am start from and this copy from the top because they have is smaller value. Now they have so 5 coin required 5. So what is the mean difference? 0. 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 1. 6 minus 5 1. 1 comma 1 plus 1 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 2. What is the 2 value? 1. That is 1. That is 2. 8 minus 5, 3. They have to require a 3 more number. 3 more number comes from 2 comma 1. Yani 2 coin more. 2 coin more, 3 coin. Total 3 coin. How? 5, 2, 1. You have to use 3 coin, all the 3 coin. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 value is 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. That is 2 coin. Minimum 5 comma 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 6 equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So minimum number of a make a 11 sum from the coin of 1 to 5 make a 3. They store a 3 sum. This is a 2D way. Now I am also discuss a 1D way. Why? How? Let's rough this figure again. Only a 1D way. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ठीक है 1D में. Okay 1D में. Now 0 amount is a 0. I have declared a one more. Okay 0 amount is 0. Now I have coin 1, 3 and 5. I take only a 1 coin. To start from the 1, only a 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. 0 amount is 0. That is take a 1. 2 minus 1. That is a 1. What is the value of 1? 1 plus 2. 3 minus 1. 2. 2 plus 1. 3. 3, 4, 5. They come as a like that. Yes or no? Now next coin is 3. Next coin is sorry 1 to 5 है. Question is 1 to 5. So I take only a 1 to 5, not change 1 to 5. So I am start 2 because they have no need money from mega 2 from 0 or 1. So I am start from 2. So 2 minus 2. What is the value? 0. 0. 0 or what is the 0 plus 1? 1. So 1 comma 2 which is minimum? 1. Update the value 1. 3 minus 2, 1. What is the value? 1, 1. Minimum is 2. 4 minus 2, 2. What is the value? 1. Minimum is 2. 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 equal to 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 equal 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 value is 3. That comes 4. 8 minus 2, 6. What is the value of 6? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Minimum number of coin 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 value is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This is a minimum, so I update the value. 10 comma minus 2, 8. 8 value is 4, then minimum coin is required 5. Okay. 11 minus 2, 9. Minimum coin required is 6. Minimum number of a coin required because update from the minimum. Not need to be a minimum. We need to 5. So start from the 5. This 5 minus 5, 0. 0 is 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 1, 1, 2. 6 minus 7, 2. Minimum 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Minimum 4, comma 3. Minimum. 9 minus 5. 4. 4 value is 2. Comes from 3. 9 minus 5. And 5, 2, 2. 3 coin. 10 minus 5, 5. 1. So I have repeated 2. 11 minus 5. 6. 6 value is 2. Repeat 3. So final answer is stored in a 3. That is a 1D way. Okay. Now how to write the code? Int dp new int amount plus 1. Okay. Now I fill the dp by with a maximum value. And what is the maximum value? Anything maximum value. But now we already know if make a sum maximum sum amount given is 11. I am filled the 12. So this is not possible to make a 12 sum. So I am fix sum fill the amount 12. dp with amount plus, that is a maximum value. Why maximum? Because this is a maximum. I never make a, if I have to use a, make a 1 to 5, one you have to make a 11 sub, so you have not column of 12, so they have no updated value, so I have taken maximum amount plus 1, that is maximum value. Okay, now one by one coin from the coins, and each coin from the start from the which value, which value amount, which value amount from the coin to amount less than equal to amount and amount plus plus. Let's suppose I am start from the second loop. Let's suppose they come 5. So I am start from the 5 to ending. Okay. So 5 to ending plus 1 by ending amount. Okay. What is the update dp of this amount? Equal to math dot minimum of dp of amount, otherwise 1 plus dp of, what is, this is amount amt minus coin. ठीक है, तो amt minus coin, this is a chance. Okay, after complete this I have written the last value that is present in amount is less than equal to amount, to return the dp of amount, otherwise return the minus 1. Why? Let's suppose take another example to understand this thing. 2 or 3, तो you make a 2 or 3, तो 0 1 2 3 अमाउंट 4 तक का बना लेंगे, 2 और 3 यानी 3. ओके, 0 coin is 2, to start from the 2, so they also 0 2 2 minus 2, that is 0 0 plus 1, minimum is 1. Okay, by default value is filling from the 1 extra, that is 4, filling from the 4, all value is filling from the 4 amount plus 1. Now 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is a 1. What is the value of 0? You have to require amount 2, or start from the 2, and now start from the 3. You have to 3, make a 3 amount from the coin of 3, make amount 3 from the coin of 3. Okay, so by default value is filling maximum value. Okay, 2 comma 0, again make a tree, by default maximum value filling. Now so 3 minus 2, that is value of 1, and what is the value of 1? 1. 0 plus 1, minimum 1, that is take a 1 coin, but they not completed a solution, so they return minus 1, because this is the case amount is not less than. We take some mistake, analyze it. One by one coin heap is filled with maximum to find the minimum number of a coin are required. Okay, not update from the check again. We have start coin, one by one coin, start coin to amount, because they take a amount as amount. What is dp value of amount? dp of 5. 1 plus dp I minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now we have also filled the dp with 12. Minimum to dp of 0 set with a 0, because minimum number of coin required is a 0. I have set this as a 0 and all dp is filled with the maximum value 444. Okay. Now case for the, this is a 3 amount from the coin of a 2. It is not possible they return the minus 1. Why? I am also print the system arrays dot to string what is the dp. This, so if mega, let suppose all the value filled with the dp. Okay. Now I understand this example again. 0 1 2 3. Okay. All value by default is 4 and 0 is 2. The coin is 2. 2 minus 2 0. 0 comma 1 plus 1. Okay. Now 3 minus 2 1. 1 4 plus 1 5, minimum 4. So minimum 4. And this amount is greater than this amount. So this is a termination condition. This is not permissible condition. Okay. Now this is the answer. Now I have discussed three questions and the, this is a code. Now I have to share the all the question list and we have to wait. I have to share the all the question list with you. I have discussed about the DP approaches, how to come with DP and how to solve DP. This is a part 2 and now I am make a list in DP and share with you to solve all the questions. You have to perfectly come on dynamic program. Have a nice day and great solution. All the best guys.